This 2011 Jayco Jay Flight G2, 33, RLDS 33 RLDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Jayco is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, skylight, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, slideout, leveling jacks, LP detector, oven, Colorado detector, air conditioning, stove-top burner, and 86 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2011 Jayco Jay Flight G2, 33, RLDS 33 RLDS is 7,925 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.